According to a number of convincing leaks, the iPhone 17 Pro may be Apple's most audacious advancement in smartphone photography in years. According to rumors, Apple will give the gadget a brand new telephoto lens with an optical zoom of up to 8 times, which is a big improvement over the iPhone 16 Pro's 5 times magnification. This would put it in a direct competition with Sony's Xperia line and Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series. The most interesting part is that computerized cropping is not anticipated to be used by the zoom. Rather, a moving lens component may allow for continuous optical zoom, something Apple has never done before and is comparable to the camera hardware seen in the Sony Xperia. If accurate, this combination of cutting-edge technology and Apple's well-known image processing software has the potential to revolutionize long-range mobile photography. Additionally, it has been stated that Apple is working on a new pro-level camera app for pros and photography aficionados. It is anticipated that this application will provide extensive manual control over stills and video, possibly competing with Hali, Filmic Pro, and Kino. It's unclear if Final Cut will be a standalone application or a significant upgrade to its camera features, but it's obviously made to fully utilize the new zoom technology. Furthermore, the top edge of the iPhone 17 Pro could have a physical camera control button. For customers who value simplicity and speed when taking pictures, this tactile shortcut might open the camera instantaneously, making it simpler than ever to capture impromptu moments. Modifications to the design may emphasize Apple's emphasis on its camera system even more. These include a color choice that resembles copper, a horizontal back camera bar that has been speculated, and a new triple 48MP rear camera configuration that replaces the old 12MP telephoto module with a far better resolution unit and includes 48MP sensors for the primary, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Regarding videography, the Pro model may allow for simultaneous front and back camera recording, which might be a game-changer for vloggers and content producers who wish to simultaneously record their responses and environment. All of this points to a daring plan. Apple is preparing for a photographic battle with Samsung and Sony, not just improving the camera. If the continuous 8x optical zoom works, Apple could be able to attract customers who have been loyal to the Galaxy or Xperia because of their better zoom. It could produce long-range images that are competitive with standalone cameras when combined with Apple's expertly calibrated image processing. In summary, it appears like the iPhone 17 Pro will be Apple's most camera-focused smartphone to date. It claims to erase the distinction between professional and mobile photography with its 48MP triple sensors, pro-grade camera app, dedicated control button, and 8 times optical zoom. If these allegations are true, Apple may very well establish a new benchmark for smartphone imaging while we wait for official confirmation. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.